students of class LKG. Today, welcome to the activity book. The school has provided this activity book for the students of class LKG, and the book title is Seesaw Part 8. Okay, so student, this is your first class. The classes has already been given in the WhatsApp group, but in order to link up all the students who have not completed or who have not having an Android phone, we are keeping this video in the website. So kindly follow the website and see routine wise the video regarding the different pages. So today we are going to start with the first page, that is your page number 3. Okay, so student, in this page number 3 they are talking about the capital letters which is been given in our English book. Okay, so we all know, so there are how many capital letters? There are 26 capital letters. Okay, so in this 26 capital letters, 5 are vowels and remaining are what? Your consonants. Okay, so the 21 is your consonant and the 5 is your vowel. Okay, now coming to know after the alphabets, we are having how to write this alphabet. So the alphabets which has been given on the board is your capital letter. We all know, we have learned how to write the capital letters in our nursery classes. So we'll just read it out. So A, we all know how to write it. We have to take the two slanting right up and then drop it down and then cross a sleeping line. In this way we'll form an A and then a vertical line here, and then you have to take a small curve and you'll make it B. And then you take a small semicircle, that will make your C. And then a straight line and a small curve here, that will make your D. And then we are having an E like that. Okay, and then F. Then we are having F. This is your F. 2 horizontal line and 1 standing line. And then we have a G. And then we have a G here. Okay, and then we have a H. 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line will make your H. And then we have an I. And then we have a J. And then K with 2 slanting line and 1 straight line. And then we have L. And the next letter which is coming here on the board in the third row is your M. We'll have a 2 standing line, 1 this line, 1 this line, and the 2 standing line which will join the 2 standing line. And then we are having N, the 2 standing lines similarly as your M, but 1 will have a slanting line. And then we have a big 0, that is your circle O, and then a standing line and a curve like that will make your P. And then we have a big 0 and just pull a tail from within, that will be your Q. And then we have a straight line and then a curve, and then we'll just bring it down in a form of a straight line. You can just curve it and make your R. And then we have a semi like that, just you turn your pencil in this manner, it will make you S. And then we have 1 horizontal line and 1 standing line, that will make your T. And then we have a U, you have to make a curve there, U. And then we have a V, with a 2 slanting line we'll make a V. And then we have a W, 1, 2, 3, 4, all in the slanting line we are having. And then we have a 2X, that also in the slanting line. And then Y in a slanting line, then 1 horizontal line, then slanting, and then horizontal will make your Z. Now let's see how do we write a small letter. Okay, we have seen the capital letter here, we have to see now the small letters. Okay, so how do we write the small letter? We'll take it up like that, A. This will make your A. And then we'll go with B. Okay, this way we'll write B. And then we'll C like that. You have to see that the tail should reach to your 4 line. These all should be touched. From the third line to your second line it will be touched. Similarly, D you write down, this is your the down stroke and then the up stroke, and then you will touch this. Okay, that is your D. And then similarly E you have to touch, you will not leave the line in the middle, E. And then F you will touch it like that. Okay, the line should be touched in the third line, F. Then G you see, we'll go take it like that, and then we'll go it up. We have to touch this line G Okay, then keep a dot here. And then we have a J in the fourth line. You can touch like that and take the tail up. And this is your J. And then we'll make a K. Then we'll make a K. And then we are having an L here. L. Similarly, you'll touch it up. And then we are having an M. Okay, we'll start it from here. We'll drop it down in the two middle line. And then we'll take it up. M. And then N also we'll write it down in the middle line and take it up. And then we are having an O. We are having an O. And then we are having a P. Okay, P. And then Q. Similarly, we'll take it in the fourth line and then take the tail up in the upstroke. Q. And then we'll have an R. Okay, this is your R. Similarly, we'll take an S here, S like that. And then we'll have a T. This is your T. Then we'll write down U. We'll take it down like that, U. And then V. And then W. And then X. And then here is Y. And this is your Z. Okay? This is how you write the capital letter and your small letter. We have written together A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. The one which is in your white color, it is your small letter. And the one which is in the colorful, it is your capital letter. Then similarly we have F, then G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, 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 O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z. Okay, so I presume that you have learned the capital letter and small letter. In the next video, I'll tell you how to learn the words. Okay, thank you.